back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video. These are some of the most favorite videos that I watch on YouTube. I have a Trader Joe's haul for you today. So my roommate and I went to do our weekly grocery shopping. So it kind of varies where we go to go grocery shopping, but usually I really love Trader Joe's because I think it's cheap, it's affordable stuff, and they come in like a good quantity for someone that's just buying groceries for themselves. So let's just get started. So the first thing I got were cookie butter cookies because my best friend Natty, she loves these cookies so much. I already tried them, can you see? And they're so delicious, and I've been trying to find them for such a long time, and I finally did. They're so yummy. I definitely recommend them just for like a small sweet treat. I feel like just one of them like satisfies the craving. So they're really yummy. I got seaweed. They're roasted seaweed snacks because I don't know, I haven't had this in a long time, and I was hungry while I was grocery shopping, so that's probably why I bought them. I got this caramel cheddar popcorn mix. Another thing that I should have never gotten, but that's okay. I feel like it's just a small little treat. I tried to stay relatively healthy this time because spring break is like in a week and a half, so I need to kind of be healthy before I go to California. And these are the pita crackers. These are super yummy. They're really inexpensive too. I think they're like $2.99 for this whole box, which will last me until I go off for spring break. I got this to try because everyone on YouTube tries them. They're the protein cookies. This one's the double chocolate chip one. These ones are really inexpensive at Trader Joe's. They're only 89 cents, but at Target they're like $1. I got a cucumber. This is the roasted garlic hummus, and it's the Trader Joe's brand. And it was really cheap, so that's why I got it. I got black beans. I think I got 2 cans of this. I really like black beans to eat with like every meal, or I try to eat it with every meal now. I got the spinach. These are for my green smoothies. They're the organic ones. Usually the non-organic ones will come in a bigger bag, but I couldn't find them, so that's fine. Those are for my smoothies. I usually do like 1 handful per smoothie. I got some cilantro. I hope this is cilantro. Yes, it is. Yay. I love cooking this with my beans. I got organic bananas. I got organic bananas for my green smoothies. Again, I do like 1 full banana per green smoothie. If I don't have the banana in there, it actually tastes really nasty. I got 2 bags of these. These are organic broccoli florets to have with every meal. Usually with every one of my meals, I will have vegetables with it, just so I don't eat a lot of carbs. I got cauliflower stir fry. This is so yummy. These are like some of the things that are just super quick and easy to make. You can just put this on it's all cauliflower in here. It's like all vegetables. It's really nice. You can put this on the skillet and then have some chicken on the side, and that's like such a filling dinner. This is one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. I used to cook white rice, but now I don't do that anymore because it takes a lot of time, and it's just not as healthy as brown rice. So these come in like packages that you can just put in the microwave, and you can get like 3 meals out of them. It's so nice. So I got one of these, and this is so cheap. It's $2.99. I got some green beans to do like a simple vegetable side. I got pineapple and mango for the green smoothies. I find that the Trader Joe's frozen fruit is the cheapest like ever that you'll find, and they're really yummy too. I got, oh shit, I forgot to put this in the freezer. Whoops. Okay, this is a sweet treat that I got. This is a cold brew latte dessert bars. Usually I'll buy Skinny Cow chocolate bars because I need something that's sweet. I just can't live without it. So I want to try this one. Hopefully it's good. I got baby carrots. These are really inexpensive. Like this big bag was $1.99, and usually like half this size is $1.99 at Target. So stop shopping at Target and just start shopping at Trader Joe's. And then I got this. It's a Japanese style fried rice with edamame, tofu, and something sweet. It's really yummy. But yeah, that's all I got from Trader Joe's. I think it'd be fun if I like showed you all like I like to meal prep also, so it'd be fun to do like a video on that. Let me know if you actually want that. This is what I typically get. I know that seems like a lot for $70, or I only spent $50 today, but it usually costs up to like 70 or 60 because I do buy like meat and protein, so that's what makes it more expensive. But yeah, this is my healthy Trader Joe's haul, college edition. That's stupid. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and tell all your friends about me, and follow me on Instagram because I just posted a new picture that you should definitely like. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye.